Hey everyone, welcome to Techno. I'm your host Udit and today we're going to build a gaming PC around 65,000 Indian rupees. So sit back, relax and without any delay, let's get started. So let's start with our processor. Here we have Intel i5-7400, which is a 7th gen processor and has a base frequency of 3 GHz and can be overclocked to 3.5 GHz to its max turbo frequency. This processor comes with 4 cores and 4 threads and 6 MB smart cache with burst speed of 8 GT. This processor does supports the Intel Turbo Boost technology, but it's not eligible for Intel vPro platform, which in my opinion is totally fine. So let's talk about a motherboard. So here we have Gigabyte GA-H110M motherboard, which is the best motherboard I can suggest. It does supports 6th gen and 7th gen processor and has DDR3 and DDR3L dual channels. The best part of this motherboard is that it has high quality audio capacitors and audio noise guards with LED trace path lighting. For the price of 4,000, this motherboard got all the bells and bezels of high-end motherboard. So next we have Corsair Vantage 8GB DDR4 RAM, which is designed for high performance overclocking. Its PCB performance helps manage heat and provides a good overclocking headroom. For a price of 6,000, you can go with this. So now coming to the most important part, actually the most important part of this build. Yes, you're right, it's the Zotac Geforce GTX 1060, which comes with the build of 1582 MHz and can be boosted to 1797 MHz. The display output is 3x display ports. With the price of 25,000, this is the best graphics card I would suggest. Now for a power supply, we are going with Corsair VS550. You can also go for 450 watt, but I would suggest you to stick with 550 because maybe in future if you want to upgrade your build, you won't face any power supply issues. So this VS550 power supply guarantee delivers a 550 watt of continuous power. The 120 fan inside is controlled and it only spins at max speeds when pushed to its limit and even at a full load. So now for storage, we are going with WD 1TB hard drive and also 120GB SSD for quick boosted time. So now for cabinet, we are going with Cooler Master Box Lite 5, which in my opinion, it's the most sexiest cabinet in this world. It has dark mirror front panels and edge-to-edge transparent sides panel, which also supports 4 fans and water cooling. For a price of 7,000, this is the best cabinet I would suggest. And guys, I would just say this is the best build under 65,000 rupees. And also, it's not just for gaming. It can also be used for other work like design, editing parts. So guys, this is it for this video. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel so that we can discuss more about technology and future keynotes. So see you in the next video. Thank you.